All right, it is Sunday, May 14th. And let's take a look at some stocks, what happened in the week past. Let's start with SQQQ. Now, this is bearish if people are not familiar, three times levered. Basically, the NASDAQ 100. It mimics, the NASDAQ. The reverse of that, the bullish side is TQQQ. So let's look at the chart here on the day. Pre-market, this went down. Now, pre-market, a lot of these ETFs don't get a lot of volume. You can see here, 5,000, 6,000. See the 28 line. It went down 5 a.m., started to come up right here, pulled back a little bit. This candle right here looks like, oh, we're going to go back down. And this was, what was the low here? 2780. When you see a red candle or, a few red candles, then it had a green. So you're going back and forth here. You want to see if this goes up. What's it going to do next? Then it has another red candle. So you're going back and forth. It's a little bit choppy here. There's no real direction. Not sure if we're going to go down or we're going to go up. Then this big, massive green candle took hold. So now you have at least, let me put this down here. Now you have at least, a stop. This is today's open. The green, this is the light blue, yesterday's close. And you have right here this 2780 line. So, if you get in here, you have at least to there. It'll be a good, stop out point. It's only 20 cents. So you went up to 28, sideways, moved up, pulled back. And this is where you see the 1320 EMA. They're starting to separate from each other, and it's getting good space. So it's like your front line, your second line. Come up again, 2850. Then we pull back to 2830. Keep going to 2890. This is a further pullback. And try it again, almost like a double top up here, 2880. Now, when you get to the 10-minute, that's why I always use 10 and 15-minute, maybe even 30-minute. Look at the whole way. That's why people in these candles, you're using a 3-minute, even a 5-minute. You're saying, oh, it's going down now. No, it's not. 13 and 20 EMA. We're clearly above each other. Look at this. The 13, this is the 20. So all these little candles coming down. This path all the way up, it's not even close to bending down. See right here where this bent is crossed over? That's what you look for, at least for, it's going to be at least it's a pullback, a major pullback, and then you get out right here. So you look for the crossover. All these are just fake outs. They're fake outs to try to stop out long. So you can see that all the way up, 15-minute. You can see this going all the way up. And there's a separation here. Now going back to the 5-minute, you see here, oh, this red candle, we're going to go through this hammer, held right through that 20, bounced up. And you have these red candles right here, we bounced up. Excuse me. And then, this is a great long. So what do you get here? 2780, 2880. Yeah, it's a dollar move. On ETFs, you can get $1, 50 cents to $1. They're pretty solid moves. They're not like penny stocks going to move $5. Sometimes they will move if the market's pretty wild, but you can make good money on that, and it's more consistent. Throw in your penny stocks too on days you get a good read on some of them. So you want to throw more different ways to make money in there. Let's look at the daily chart on this. So this has been coming down ever since October. You can see it's in this wedge and it bounced, a nice little bounce here. That was January. Went down really strong February, bounced up again and went down again. So this is basically almost 70 to 28 now. Now it's going to bounce up again here. It is oversold, but it did here. Right here is really oversold, and then it moved higher in stochastic. See here, like 30, but it only moved like $2.50. It's not a big move. That's not one of these moves. So it's hard to say, when a bigger move will happen. This could move up to 30, maybe even 35. It's very oversold now. We'll see. The weekly. See, the weekly's getting crushed here. See this top? And then it went, the high got lower, lower. Now it's like basically into the ground, you could call it. It's buried 2.34. Any major, something in the market, maybe the NASDAQ, this will bounce easily. You can see right up here to 30, 35. You have a weekly crossover, 20 EMA over 13. You can see that. And the monthly, monthly's at 0.60. It's really low. So, we could pop up. It's just hard to say exactly when a bigger move will happen. But there you go right now. But these are great for trading too anyway. You can go back here. Look at this move here. That was a good move long, TQQQ. This was a good move on the 10th. Look at this. Move up. And then your lows are getting higher. But again, so you can look at these points. So this was nice. A lot of entry points here, 28, 25. And you're playing here. You have a big range here. If you want to do a quarter line, maybe half that, like 15 cents, pretty solid. So that's a look right now. SQQQ, yeah, daily charts, pretty buried. Good for day trading right now. And this was nice on Friday if anyone caught it. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Came and Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Mike Came and Trades on TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate the support. I try to do short videos on news, different stuff, and keep doing some of these videos on stocks, ETFs, different things in day trading, swing trading. All right, we're out for now. Peace.